Hey everyone, today I'm revealing the one file that controls your entire WordPress site, wp-config.php. This is WordPress's hidden configuration file that most users never touch, but it's incredibly powerful for troubleshooting and security. First, let's understand what this file does. The wp-config.php file sits in your root directory and connects WordPress to your database. It stores your database credentials, security keys, and controls critical settings like debug mode and memory limits. Here's how to access it safely. Use an FTP client like FileZilla or your hosting control panel's file manager. Navigate to your root directory, usually called public HTML or www. You'll see wp-config.php there. Always back up this file before making any changes. Now, let me show you the most useful tweaks. To enable debug mode for troubleshooting errors, find the line that says define WP debug false and change false to true. This will show all PHP errors on your screen. Next, to increase your memory limit for handling resource-heavy plugins, add this line before "that's all, stop editing." Define WP memory -limit 256 M. You can adjust this number based on your needs. For security, you should change your database table prefix from the default WP_ to something random like WP-A5X2_. Also, regenerate your authentication keys and salts using WordPress's official generator at api.wordpress.org/secret key. Copy those 8 lines and replace the existing ones in your config file. Key points include: always back up before editing, use a plain text editor like Notepad, never use Word or Google Docs, and test your site immediately after saving changes. If something breaks, you can restore your backup. Thanks for watching. This file gives you incredible control over WordPress. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.